In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Luminar Neo. If you're on Windows and want the simplest, cleanest way to remove Luminar Neo, here's exactly what to do. First, make sure Luminar Neo isn't running. Save your work, close the app, and give it a second to fully exit. This prevents the uninstaller from running into any conflicts. Next, open the Windows Settings app. From there, go to Apps, then choose Apps and Features. This is where Windows lists all the programs installed on your computer. You can scroll through the list, but the quickest option is to use the search bar at the top and type Luminar Neo. Once you see it in the results, click it to expand the options, then click Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the application. Click through the prompts and follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on your system, you may see a user account control message asking for permission to make changes. That's normal, so approve it to continue. The uninstaller will take care of removing the main application files. Let it run without interrupting the process and wait until it completes. When the uninstallation is finished, restart your computer. A quick reboot helps Windows finalize the removal and clears out any temporary files the uninstaller might have left behind. That process removes the main program. However, as with many apps, a few leftover files may remain, typically in your user's app data folders. If you want the cleanest possible removal, you can manually delete those. Open File Explorer and navigate to your user folder, then to App Data, Roaming, and look for a folder named Luminar Neo. The full path looks like C++users, your user/app data, roaming, Luminar Neo. App data is hidden by default, so if you don't see it, typing the path into the address bar can help you jump there quickly. Once you find the Luminar Neo folder, you can delete it. This step is optional, but it's useful if you're troubleshooting, freeing up space, or preparing for a fresh reinstall. Just be careful to remove only the Luminar Neo folder and nothing else. And that's it. You've uninstalled Luminar Neo using the built-in Windows method and, if you chose, cleaned up any remaining folders. If you plan to reinstall later, you can skip the manual cleanup, but if you're done with the app entirely, that extra step keeps your system tidy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your PC organized and running smoothly.